Opportunities for altcoin investors: XRP, Dogecoin, and Solana. Bitcoin's price turning around has led altcoins to attractive buying levels.
So what should those who missed the rise do?
We have experienced periods in the crypto market where volatility is at its lowest and also days when it is at its craziest. And these days don't seem to resemble the days when volatility was crazy.
Therefore, there may still be opportunities for altcoin investors. Should you buy XRP coin?
The expectation that the lawsuit will result in favor of Ripple is gaining strength.
This is because the SEC has already suffered 3 major defeats against Ripple. If no surprises occur during the mass appeal process, which is a very rare outcome according to the judge's decisions, XRP coin has good days ahead. So what is the short-term situation?
For XRP coin investors, it is necessary for 61 cents to hold strong in order to target the general resistance level of 67 cents. If the bulls can overcome the tough resistance, they can set their sights on the 75 cents and 85 cents targets, which we have highlighted many times before. The upward sloping 20-day EMA, 56 cents, and RSI data indicate that the bulls still have not lost control. Should you buy Dogecoin, DOGE?
Although Dogecoin recovered from the 20-day EMA, 6 cents, on November 1st, it did not see the expected demand. The postponement of the Doge 1 mission, the attention drawn to newer meme coins, and Elon Musk's recent neglect formed the basis of this lack of demand.
Doge is a meme coin and has no other features except for being the first. However, its competitors value building their own ecosystems, user-driven token demand, and benefit production. The price returned to the 20-day EMA on November 3rd, but the long tail on the candlestick shows that the bulls strongly defended this level. If buyers can push the price above 7 cents and hold it there, the 8 cents target can be aimed for. For now, Doge has not been able to escape the risk of a drop to 6 cents. If BTC attempts a deeper support test, it could nullify its recent gains. Should you buy Solana, SOL? As they kept shorting, the price of Sol coin rose, and we saw that as Sol coin rose, short positions were liquidated. The Solana ecosystem has suffered significant setbacks, but it has not disappeared, and the possibility of becoming history, like Luna and VGX, is diminishing day by day. Solana is a fast, low-fee demanding network that produces real value, and this can ensure its survival, although alternatives are increasing.
The price recovered from $38.79 on November 2nd, and the negativity in BTC's price is enticing bears back below this level.
If the Sol coin price holds this level, it can continue its upward movement towards $50 and $80 once again. Disclaimer:
the information provided in this article does not constitute investment advice. Investors should be aware that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and therefore carry risks, and they should conduct their own research before making any transactions.